Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to the Picsart YouTube channel. Christmas is approaching soon, and whether you have a small business or you're just really behind on your gift giving, we've got your back here because me too, honestly. So today I'm going to be showing you my favorite last minute Christmas guide, and also something that you can just use to personalize your little gifts and make them look like you've put in a little bit of more effort than maybe you have. The first thing that I'm going to be breaking down is my #1 easy last minute gift guide, which is a sticker pack. This is honestly something that is so simple, and you can personalize this for whoever you're giving it to. Also, if you have a business, you can include this with all your orders for the holiday season, or if you just want to add this as like a little stocking stuffer, I think this is perfect. So let's break down how I do this. #1, you're going to open up Picsart as always, and there's quite a few different ways that you can create stickers. You can head over to our sticker tab and just search up whatever sticker that you want. In this case, I did Snoopy because I, like everyone else on the internet, is obsessed with Snoopy lately. If you want something a little bit more personalized, you can also import your own images. I just thought that this one was really cute, so then I just went over and I clicked remove background, and it fits right in. You can also go ahead and draw your own stickers. I've done this quite a few times over on our TikTok. Shameless plug if you guys want to follow us. And super simple, but I'm aware that not everybody wants to draw or knows how to draw or honestly has the time to draw, because it might be last minute and we don't have time to do graphic design. Once this is all done, just space them out and I'm gonna send them over to print. There's a few ways that you can print this. For example, if you have a Cricut machine, this process is super simple. I, however, do not have the money for a Cricut machine, nor do I have the time to go get one. So I got this sticker paper, which for me is a necessity, and I always have it hanging around my house. Or you can just get it from Amazon next day or same day delivery. I'm just gonna load up a printer with this. You can use it on the laser printer, which is what I'm using here, but I've also done it on a normal inkjet cartridge printer, and it works the exact same. Just send over your stickers to print, and this is what they should look like. You have a few options again. You can just cut them out like this, but because the paper is matte and I'm not sure whoever I'm giving this to wants to use the stickers for, and I have learned from previous mistakes of leaving stickers matte and then just watching them deteriorate. I'm actually just using this really thick tape that I have because it's handy, it's quick, and it's less overwhelming. And then once this is done, you can go ahead and cut them out. Make sure that you plastify them before cutting them. Once this is all done and they're all cut out, I'm grabbing one of these tiny little bags. Again, I just got this from one of my local craft shops. I think this was like £1, and I'm just gonna throw them in there. You can just leave it at that, but because I'm being a little bit extra and I want to show that I've put in effort even if it's last minute, I'm gonna go back on Picsart, I'm gonna get a square, and I'm just gonna get a sticker that says Merry Christmas, and then just design a little label for it. Print this out, and I'm gonna fold it over the top and just staple it, and this is what the final product looks like. I've given this to so many people, and every single time everyone's so happy. I give them out at the office all the time. I give them to my friends, I give them to my family, and I think just the best part is that you just can customize it to whatever, and I think the best part is that you can just customize it to whatever the person you're giving this to's likes are. Or if you have a business, you can do this with like your logo, your products. I just think it would be a really cute Christmas add-on. Okay, next up, we're gonna be talking about creating your custom gifting wrap paper. This one is for the girls who are a little bit extra. If you have a business, you can just add your logo, and it just makes it look so much more professional, even though it's really cheap and easy to do. I'm gonna open up Picsart and I'm just gonna do some little designing. This is what my final design ended up looking like. I just played around with this for about like 10 minutes and I thought that this was the cutest. And once this is done, you can just go ahead and save it as a PNG. Make sure the quality is good. And wherever you live, you can just search up the name of your town or city or country with custom wrapping paper print. I'm gonna be using this one because it was the cheapest and it came the fastest, and I'm just gonna be uploading my picture on it, and they're gonna take you through a bunch of options. Just fill it out, and once this is done, you can just press order and just wait for your package to get to your home. If you guys like these ideas, make sure you go follow us on TikTok and Instagram, because we're doing a series where I'm gonna be breaking down some more last minute Christmas gift ideas. And always, if you recreate something, make sure to tag us on Instagram. We love going through your posts and retag. We love going through your posts and interacting with them and reposting them even. So make sure you do that, and I will see you next week. If you want more, and also if you just want more Christmas content, we are gonna be bringing that over on our socials. So go follow us, have a good time, and I will see you next week. Bye!